Yes. Because it is winter season, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it is cold. So wear the sweater and be hot. Okay? Yes. Then children, let us see what is the date and day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the date and day? Yes. Today is Monday. Yes? Yes. Then what is the thought for the day? When you know better, you do better. Yes. When you know better, then you automatically do better, right? Yes. Then shall we start the class, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Till where we completed in the previous class? Yes. Module 8. Yes. Module 8 we completed workbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We completed the module 7 and 8. Right? Then we completed 2 lessons also in the textbook. Now we will move on to the 9th lesson. Yes? What is the 9th lesson name? A book for Puchku. Okay? And it is a lesson. Okay? So please take out your English textbook part 2. Okay? Please take out English textbook part 2, children. Yes, please open. Yes. Page number 12. Open page number 12. See? Yes. What is the lesson name? A book for Puchku. Yes. Listen and say aloud. Okay? Along with me you have to say. Listen carefully. Start. Words starting with FL sound. FL sound. Fly. 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 FLAG. Flag. Words starting with GL sound. Now GL. Okay. Glass. 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 Glue. 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 Words starting with SK sound. SK sound. Okay. Skip. Skin. SKIP. Skip. SKIN. Skin. Words starting with SL sound. Now SL sound. Okay. Yes. Slip. Sleep. SLIP. Sleep. 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 Yes. So these are the FL sound, GL sound, then SK sound and SL sound. Okay? Yes. Now warm up. Okay? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like? Only reading. Watching TV. Then playing, dancing also.
Yes,
Is it?
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Then do you think reading books is a good hobby? How it is a good hobby, children? Yes, by reading what you will come to know? Yes, we will learn more things which we don't know, right? If we read, we will earn more knowledge. We will get more knowledge. We will come to know each and everything, right? So reading is really very important and very good also, right? When you are free, right, children, try to read the books. Okay, reading is very important. All are reading? Everybody are telling yes, but you have, I don't know whether you are reading or no, right? You have to read. If you are not reading, try to read and practice it at home. Okay? Yes. Then let us read a story about a girl named Puchku who loves to read book. Okay? Puchku is a girl. Okay? We will read a story about her who she liked to read the books. Who? Puchku. Okay? This is the girl Puchku. Okay, in your book you can see this is the girl Puchku. Okay, shall we read? Yes, open page number 13. Yes, Puchku have a bath. Puchku eat your food. Yes, Puchku will have bath and she will have her food also. Okay, yes. Puchku go to class. Puchku do your homework. Yes, she has to go to the school also, class also, and she have to do her homework. Yes. Then next page. Page number 14. Where is Puchku? Who is telling that? Yes, our mother is telling. Where is Puchku? Puchku is busy reading a book. Puchku always busy in reading book. Puchku reads all the time, page after page, book after book. Always she is having a habit of reading. Okay. Always she will turn the page and read, and always she will take another book and keep on reading. Understand? When she completes one book, again she will move on to the next book. Okay? Then, why are you always reading Puchku? Ask Boltu. Okay, Boltu is a boy. He is asking, why always you are reading like that? He is asking to Puchku. Okay? Watch a cartoon instead. Say Dodla. Dodla is another boy. He is telling that watch cartoon instead of reading book. Like that he is telling. Books are so much more fun, says Puchku. What Puchku is telling? Books are more fun and we can learn more things in the book. So she likes to read the book. He is telling. Look, do you see a circle and a straight line? Push it. Pull that out and it becomes a letter. Yes. What she is telling? Look, do you see a circle and it is having a straight line also? She is telling push it in and pull it out. Listen, and it becomes a letter. It will become a letter. Okay. Line up the letters and you have a word. If you line up the letters, then you will have a word, right? Yes, see here. I have added 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. There is one word I have made, right? B-O-O-K, book, right? So, this is one word. If you put the letters in a line, you can make it one word. Understanding, children?
Yes.
She is also telling the same thing, okay? And you have a word. Words can be funny. Words also can be funny. And words can be sad also. And words can be sunny also. Sunny also it can be. Okay. When you put words together, then make a sentence. All the words together will make a sentence, right? See how many letters we have put here and how many words we have put, and we made it one sentence. See, a book for Puchku. Okay. So this becomes one sentence, right? Yes, like that. Okay. Then, and sentence becomes stories also. Like this, many sentences will become one story also, right? Read it and push. You are in another world. If you keep on reading this, you will be in another world. You will imagine what all is happening, right? If I tell any story, you will imagine that, right? Yes, about that Pied Piper also we learned, right? You all imagine that? Yes, how he is moving. Back of his the rats are moving, children are moving, right? This and all you are imagine, right? Say, yes, in the same way, if you read the book now, you will also be in a different world. Understanding?
Yes.
Yes. Then next page, page number 15. But today Puchku is sad. She has no book to read. Why she is sad? Because she is not having any book to read. Understand? Yes. What will you do now? Cries Puchku. What will I do now? Like that she is crying. Can you see the picture? She is crying, right? Yes. Wait. What's that over there? She is saying, wait. What is there? Like that she is asking. Okay. She whispers as she looks up and sees 3 shelves of books. Oh, she is whispering this. Very slowly she is talking. And she is seeing there are 3 shelves are there. How many shelves are? 3 shelves. All books only. Can you see in the book, children, in your book? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. See how many shelves are there? 3, right? Yes. But she is too short. She is very short. Okay. And the bookshelf is too tall. The bookshelf is very taller, but that girl is very short. How can she take the book? Okay. How can Puchku get up there? How can she get up there? Right. Turn the page number 16. Yes. Maybe she can use a washing line or mass sari. How about the chairs and tables in the room? She can use, see like this, she can use mother's sari also to climb, okay? Or she can have a line also, like steps. Okay, and she can have chairs, tables also. On her she can stand. Okay, if your height is not enough, you will put one chair and you will climb on that and you will reach that, right?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
the same way only she is also doing. Okay, Puchko calls Boltu and Dodla for help. She is not having any table or chair there, so she is calling her friends for her help. Who's that? Boltu and Dodla. Okay, quietly they climb on the top of each other. They climbed, see, like this. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
One on another they are climbing. Okay. Boltu, you are heavy. Dolda complains. Dolda is telling Boltu, you are very heavy. You are very fat. Like that. Okay. It's not me. Boltu says. Boltu is telling, it's not me. I am not the fat one. Okay. Like that he is telling. It's Puchku. He is telling, not me. That is Puchku only very weight. Like that she is telling. Shoo. Almost there says Puchku. Puchku is telling. Shoo. Almost like I am taking the book. Like that she is telling. Okay. Then just it all goes wrong. Then suddenly everything went wrong. What happened? You will see. Ha! She fell down. Ha! Like that. Okay. What is happening here? It is very tall librarian. Yes, it is very tall library. You can't climb like that. Mother is telling. What is happening like that? She is asking. Boltu Doda run away. Puchku looks up sadly at the book. She almost had in her hand. Can I help? She asked. Okay, already she got the book in her hand and his friends Dota and Boltu, they ran away. Okay, then mother is asking, can I help you like that? I was trying to climb the bookshelf to take out a book, says Puchku sadly. She is saying sadly to her mother, Mommy, I tried to take that book. That's why only this happened. Like that she is telling. Why didn't you say so? I can help you. Why you didn't tell me? I would have helped you. Like that mother is telling. Okay. Then turn the page number 18. When I was small, I loved this book, says the very tall librarian as she gives a book to Puchku. This is not a mother children, it is a librarian. Okay, who will look after the library now? They are only called as librarian. So librarian is telling, you are very small, okay? But the way of reading, the book she is choosing is very good thing. Okay, she like to read, no? So that librarian is, she is appreciating. And she took the girl up and she is helping her to take the book. Okay. Then you are small ones, Puchku asked. Puchku asked, she is asking, when you are small, even you are doing like this. Okay, oh yes, even smaller than you, says very tall librarian. That librarian was very tall, that woman. She is a librarian. She is very taller. But when she was a small kid, no, she was very smaller than Puchku. Like that she told. Okay. Then, but is Puchku listening? No, she is not. Puchku is not listening what the librarian is telling. Because she is inside a new story now. She is reading the book now. New story. She is inside that story. Understand? So, you people also read and learn few more things which you don't know. Right? Reading book is really very good habit. Okay? Yes. Then this lesson is adapted from a book of Puchku written by Deepan Nanjan Pal. Okay? This is written by Deepan Nanjan Pal. Deepan Nanjan Pal. This lesson is written by. Okay? And from that only we have taken this lesson. Understand? Now shall I ask questions, children? Yes, page number 19. What does Puchku love to do? Reading books. Very good. Who helps Puchku take out the book in the end? Librarian. Okay, your homework time. Yes, you have to write the word and meaning. See here only it is down. Okay, you have to read the story also. You have to write the meanings also, and you have to read the meanings also. Okay, reading the lesson, reading the meanings and writing the meanings is your homework. Got it? Yes, you have to read. Okay. You can also narrate a story. You can narrate a story in like this way only. You can also narrate story. Okay. You can prepare for the story and you can narrate in the class. Okay. Yes. So we completed this lesson, right, children? Next is speaking project, reading comprehension and all we have. Okay. We will do that in the next class. Okay. So, I think here it is enough, right? We will end up the class. We will meet you in the next class. Okay. Do the homework and send it in the group. Till then, take care. Bye.